lookbook. It's just a quick lookbook / outfit ideas. It's just more for late summer and early autumn. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Apologies, I seem to have gotten some of my clips muddled up. So the long midi length dress with the red sandals, the dress is from New Look and so are the sandals. The other long midi length dress with some TK Maxx, and the shoes are also, so they're a bit like, they're not quite, I don't know what you call this type of shoe, but it's not quite a sandal, not quite a boot, because it's open at the back and at the front. So yeah, I just think dark maxi dresses are a really good, dark coloured maxi dresses are a really good transitional dress to wear when it's not quite warm enough for tights. Sorry, not quite warm enough, not quite cold enough for tights, but you still want to wear something a bit more warmer, or just a bit more autumnal. So yeah, this is just a really good way to transition your summer outfits into autumn outfits. And this has nothing to do with fashion, but it wouldn't be my video if my little baby Ruby didn't make a cameo appearance. The next, I've already said where the dress is from, but it's on TK Maxx. I didn't say where the cardigan was from, so that was from the thrift shop actually. But I think thick woolly cardies are just a really good thing to have. They just make any outfit look more autumnal and cozy. So yeah, I think a maxi dress, and if you think, oh, I'm a bit chilly, just throw in a thick or a thin cardie. But I think there's something about cardies, they automatically make any outfit look more cozier. A very simple and easy way to make any dress more autumn ready is wearing it with a pair of tights. They can be a thin pair, they can have patterns, the thick woolly tights. Just adding a pair of tights to your summer dresses or your more autumnal dresses will just make it so you can wear them in the chillier weather. So yeah, just a pair of tights is a very simple and easy way to make any outfit look more autumny. The maxi dress and boots are both from TK Maxx. A really good way to dress transition into autumn is to pair a maxi dress with a pair of boots. I just think this outfit screams fall/autumn. So yeah, and it's a good way if you want to dress a bit more fall inspired, but say you live in a warmer climate, or it's just not that, the weather's not really cooling down. So yeah, pairing a pair of boots with a nice floaty maxi dress is just a really nice way to dress more fall inspired. The dress is from TK Maxx. I think the length of this dress, and because it's a darker colour, makes it look a more autumnal dress. So I think a dress like this style is a good transitional one to have. Guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and please feel free to comment, rate and subscribe, and I shall see you in my next